The topic of today's video is how to fix Inzoi DirectX 12 not supported on your system error. Now, guys, this is so important as I've been on Reddit just checking out this topic a little bit. And the common consensus I find is that people with integrated graphics are trying to run Inzoi. These are the system requirements for Inzoi. These are the minimum system requirements, and that is an RTX 2060 with 6 gigs of VRAM. Integrated graphics are just not gonna cut it unless you have a laptop with an RTX something in it, right? Now, the next thing is, let's say you have, okay, this doesn't exist, but let's just say a GTX 970 with 12 gigs of VRAM and you're still getting that error. It's because your graphics card does not support DirectX 12.2, or I also believe it's called DirectX Ultimate. It needs to support 12.2, not 12, 12.1. It's not gonna work. So unfortunately, the only fix to your solution is to upgrade your hardware. And I know that sucks, and I know that's not the news you were looking for, but it is unfortunately a fact. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.